landscaping. And if you don't want to pay the hourly rate, the city will now be selling annual parking passes for $45.
Lots of pride this morning at Katie's Morton Ranch High School.
That's right. A senior there is making the grade. Right now, Nate, it's a fun day here. It's a fun day here at Morton Ranch High School. We're going to celebrate a person, a student athlete who is doing nothing but great things in the classroom and in the pool. Frederica Jensen, making the grade, coming up.
For relaxing mornings, for busy mom kind of mornings, for your days. We're up right there with you. Fox 26 Morning News.
Welcome to Fox 26 Morning
Your station for life.
As farmers, we've seen almost everything, so we know how to cover almost anything, even rooftop parking. Strange forces at work? Only if you're referring to gravity. And we covered it. Talk to farmers. We know a thing or two because we've seen a thing or two.
We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum.
Balloon your car. Call me.
A flyby ballooning. Seen it, covered it. We know a thing or two because we've seen a thing or two.
We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum.
Welcome back to the 743. And a senior at Katy ISD's Morton Ranch High School is truly swimming in success, both in the pool and in the classroom.
She's definitely making the grade. Nate Griffin is live in Katy to tell us all about her. Hi there, Nate.
Hey guys, you know what? Special swimmer, special person. She is something else, and she's coming our way. And I tell you what, Frederica Kissick, she's kind of special. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Frederica Cusick, and I'm making a grade.
Every morning, whether she was tired or sick or burnt out or exhausted or sore, she was on the deck with a smile on her face, cap and goggles, ready to go.
You know, she comes from a super good family. I've been lucky enough to teach her and her brother, and her parents have done a great job preparing her. She's always on top. always ready to do the work.
Tells you why Morton Ranch High School senior swimmer Frederica Kissick is so well liked by teachers, coaches, peers, and teammates. Those words also tell you why she is an all-American swimmer who puts in the work and has made the necessary sacrifices to be one of the best.
Usually now working swim off season, I get a little bit more sleep, so I wake up around like 6, and then I head here and we have a like hour 15 practice, and then right after that, I have all these AP classes, so I have to go through all of those, because I have 6 AP classes this year, and then swimming included, so we have to get through all of that. And then right when I get home, I have to get ready for my other practice, my other club swim practice. So we do that, we come home, shower, eat, and then I have to get to the homework. So I definitely feel like I've set myself up with a good schedule, that I know what I need to get done every day, and it's kind of like a routine that I follow that I really like.
Add to that an initial change in preparation with the school swim team weight training and her club swim team to help her break school records and propel her to the next level wasn't easy.
The aerobic part of the races for 500, for example, that is an aerobic-based swim. And we spent a good 2 months trying to teach her how to sprint 500 straight yards. And that's a daunting task. It is a daunting task.
However, Frederica accomplished, and not just in the pool. She is the valedictorian of her class with a class load that for most is daunting.
This year I have AP Literature, AP Biology, AP Economics and Government for the semesters, and then Calculus, AP Statistics, and AP Environmental Science.
And then there are the club affiliations.
National Honor Society, Mu Alpha Theta, the Morton Ranch Varsity Swim Team, and Power for Life Aquatics.
And because of those achievements, Frederica received many scholarship offers, but on the day of this interview, last Tuesday, she signed with the SMU Mustangs for academics, as well as she's going to be a member of the swim team with a focus on specific events.
Definitely the 4IM. That's probably going to be my main focus there, but also distance events. So the 500 free, the 1,000 free, and the mile. So I think those 4 events will definitely be my main focus going in.
What I'm going to most miss watching Frederica enjoy the sport of swimming. She's going up to SMU in the fall, which is an incredible school and a brand new facility. I can't wait to go up to Dallas and then visit her.
I've been teaching 28 years and I've gotten used to saying goodbye, and it's not so hard for me, but this year it's going to be super hard. I love these kids, and Frederica is one of them.
Morton Ranch really came out in support of Frederica this morning. I tell you what, you can see the drum team down here, as well as the cheerleaders and the dancers. They're also here. But not only that, her classmates are here. Her classmates are here as well. And I want to ask you this, Coach. You got a great student, great athlete.
Oh, absolutely. One of the best. I'm so happy to have her here. Excited to see what she does in the future.
There you go, Frederica. You want to go to med school, is that correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
You want to be a doctor?
Yes, anesthesiologist, that's a goal.
She is so smart and so cute. We just love you to death, all right? All right, good luck. All right, guys.
I'm making the grade. Bye.
All right, there you go. You talk about fun. This is nothing but fun. I'm wet. It's about time for me to go home. We'll figure it out at Morton Ranch with Frederica Kissick and Morton Ranch swim team. I'm Nate Griffin. Fox 26 Sports. I made the honor roll once. Yay. Thank you. I jumped to the floor. Okay. Very impressive. All right, we're in the 60s, guys. And